So we have our resident us, who's the president of PSME UAE and Associates Toastmasters Club.
And as the president of Gujarati Toastmasters Club,
And as the president of Warwick Scouting Club, we have now put this meeting to rest.
close.
Close.
Hi guys, this video is an introduction of how we do the roles in Toastmasters. Now, once you go through the video, you will realize how Toastmasters work and what are the rules and how do we do the roles. Starting with the president role, we have the project speakers, we have the evaluators, table topic speakers, table topics masters, general evaluator, and the panelist program. So stay tuned and
I'll be explaining how you do a project speech. See, before a speaker do a project speech, you have to ensure that he or she is properly mentored. So he or she knows what she has to do. Every Toastmasters meeting, we have three main core activities. And these are the project speeches, evaluation, and the table topic session. Now the first part is the project speeches, wherein people are trying to do their project speeches in front of a crowd. Now how do you do a project speech? Of course, you have to write a story.
Hi, good evening. I'm Toastmaster Jonah. Tonight I'll be discussing about table topics. Table topics is an excellent opportunity for guests and members to develop their impromptu speaking skills. It develops the four key communication skills, namely speaking, listening, organizing, and thinking.
Hi, fellow Toastmasters and guests. I am Toastmaster Lawrence, and I'm going to talk about a particular role for tonight, which is the Word Master role. So here in Toastmasters, we have different roles that we play in each of the business meetings that we do. Now, for the Word Master role, the Word Master role provides a new word for the audience for that particular business meeting. Now, the Word Master introduces a new word so that everyone can use that word in everyday conversation and also improve everyone's speaking.